Which of the following is the best support to the claim? Mature people are responsible. Letter A, they accept their fault. Letter B, they are indifferent to defeat. Letter C, they are reluctant to accept blame. Letter D, they tend to depend on their action. Our answer, or the correct answer, is letter A. They accept their fault. Yes, because this shows responsibility. Why not letter B? Letter B is not related to the responsibility. Also, letter C is the opposite of responsibility. Letter D, this is very awkward wording, not clearly about responsibility. So our answer is letter A. They accept their fault. Thank you. Follow and share.